Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. Why are you making face? Why are you making face? Walk on the tiptoe. Walk on the tiptoe. Looks like milkman is coming. Looks like milkman is coming. Let him take time. Let him take time. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. What did you do then? What did you do then? This shoe belongs to him. This shoe belongs to him. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. He tiptoed into the room. He tiptoed into the room. Do not wink. Do not wink. Don't gesture. Don't gesture. He went outside for a breath of fresh air. He went outside for a breath of fresh air. Don't go too far. Don't go too far. You are a number cheater. You are a number cheater. You are a false figure. You are a false figure. I am good for nothing. I am good for nothing. Let me work. Let me work. Why don't you eat something? Why don't you eat something? Do your work yourself. Do your work yourself. Why don't you say something? Why don't you say something? I made my decision. I made my decision. Why have you come so late? Why have you come so late? I do not feel like studying English today. I do not feel like studying English today. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Serve the food. Serve the food. Do your work correctly. Do your work correctly. Will you marry me? Will you marry me? What is over there? What is over there? Don't favor me. Don't favor me. Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? Speak quickly. Speak quickly. He was crying in his room. He was crying in his room. Why are you so tired today? Why are you so tired today? Did you take a bath? Did you take a bath? Move aside. Move aside. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. They came after eating. They came after eating. I have come for a shower. I have come for a shower. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. Try to understand. Try to understand. Try to understand my point. Try to understand my point. Write in English. Write in English. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. Are you listening? Are you listening? Understand the value of time. Understand the value of time. Do not chat. Do not chat. Our class consists of 20 boys. Our class consists of 20 boys. I have made a decision. I have made a decision. How about tomorrow? How about tomorrow? Who broke this? Who broke this? I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.